difficult concept I've chosen to talk about is the inverse square law. The inverse square law states that the intensity of light equals 1 over distance squared. This was a hard concept for me to grasp at first because I always thought that as distance increased, the light intensity would increase or decrease at a constant rate, like 5% each foot. But what it turns out, by looking at this picture right here, it shows that that's not the case. That, for example, at 2 feet, if you square 2, which makes 4, and you invert it, it becomes 1 over 4, then the intensity goes from 100% at 1 foot to 25% at 2 feet. And then at 3 feet, if you do the same equation, it goes to 11%. Then at 4, 6, 5, 4%, 6, 3%, 7, 2%, 8, 2%. The concept impacts the course due to the fact that we talk a lot about stars and their brightness and how distance affects their brightness. An example of how this law works would be flashlights, and how when you light something up with a flashlight that's close, the intensity of the light really brightens up that area. But as you try to brighten up something farther away, it dissipates and it's not as clear. A good way to help students understand this concept would be by conducting an experiment where you measure the lumens of a light source at specific distances away, showing how the percentages change over the distances. Something like this.